Jute is a very special and amazing stuff for homemade crafting. His its texture, its fiber is very amazing and beautiful. You can easily transform your stuff into a magical craft. This video is especially for those who make on hand crafting and designing, especially for upcoming Christmas event. So stay tuned with me. Let's start our crafting journey ahead. Let's start with our first creation, a beautiful jute Christmas star. All you need is jute rope, cardboard, glue, a little gold glitter. Draw a star shape on the cardboard and cut it out. Now wrap the jute tightly around the star, covering it completely. Add a touch of glitter to the edges of for soft golden sparkle. Simple, elegant, and perfect for Christmas wall and trees. As a previous story, Mira created her first decoration, a little jute star, and hung it outside her window. The wind made it spin softly, and its glow attracted the neighbors' attention. "How did you make that?" they asked. Mira smiled and replied, "With simple things and lot of heart." For our second craft, we are making jute Christmas tree cones, classic, rustic, and super cheap. You will need hard chart paper, jute rope, any beads or old buttons for decoration. Roll the chart paper into a cone. Now wrap the jute rope from top to bottom. Use buttons or beads to decorate it like ornaments. This gives a warm rustic look, perfect for table decor or corner. As Mira kept crafting, more people from the village joined her. They bought old buttons, leftover beads, twins, and bits of fabric. Together, they transformed their simple homes into sparkling winter wonders. For the first time, the village of threads glowed together brighter than ever before. Now let's make a jute angels, the symbol of hope. You need jute twins, a small wooden beads, a teeny piece of ribbon. Wrap the jute around your hand to make a small loop. This form the angel's dress. Tie it tightly and top. Add the wooden beads for the head. Shape wings from the twin and glue them on. Add a ribbon. Perfect shape